Hey everybody, happy March Madness. Hope you're enjoying some really good basketball. My Aggies play tonight. I'm excited about that. But let's add to the madness because major news dropped overnight, really early this morning in the Jeep world, specifically the Jeep 4xe world. The guys at TFL Car grabbed some photos out in Moab at Easter Jeep Safari of what appears to be a new Wrangler 4xe. I can throw those photos up, but here's the gist of it. It looks like Jeep has dropped a Hurricane 3-liter inline 6 into a 4xe. And if you've seen the photos, it says Hurricane 500 down the side, which makes total sense from a power output standpoint because the regular 3-liter inline 6, 420 horsepower, you can expect somewhere between 75 and 100 additional horsepower from the electric motor and battery, just like we get in the current 4xe. And so targeting 500 horsepower seems reasonable to me. It makes a lot of sense in my mind, but it's still shocking because it makes too much sense, right? And too often, if something's too good to be true, it usually isn't. This could just be some sort of concept that Jeep is trying to surprise everyone with, or it's forecasting something further out in the future that they're going to do. Or this could be the upgrade to the 4xe platform that Jeep has said is coming in 2025. The reason that could be is, remember, in 2025, we're also finally getting the Jeep Gladiator 4xe. It's really hard for me to rationalize the 2-liter turbo 4xe platform in the Gladiator. Because, you know, from a towing perspective and just capabilities perspective in a truck, I don't think that was a good match. And, you know, the 2-liter turbo has had a lot of issues with form, with head gaskets. I think just maybe too much stress, too much weight. I don't know. It just has not been a good engine overall, or a good match for 4xe. And so going to a truck, you're going to have something more robust than that. And I thought, well, maybe they'll throw in a 3.6 if they can get the packaging right. A 3-liter, even though it's a longer engine, would make a lot of sense if they, you know, done some adjustments to how they add the electrical components. So this, you know, this could be a production-ready vehicle. It certainly looks that way in the photos. This does not look like a concept. There's nothing from a graphics standpoint or a feature standpoint that screams concept, all right? It looks like a production Jeep on a recon package with a lift, factory bumper, worn winch, all the current things you can get on the Recon X or what, Rubicon X, including 35-inch tires. So cross your fingers. Hope that that's what we're getting. I guess we'll find out more in the next couple of days. I've always said the dream Jeep for us to replace this 4xe would be a straight 6 with a slightly larger battery, so a little bit more range. And that is something that's been hinted at as well. So it could be coming true, but again, I'm not going to believe it until we see it. All right. If it does drop, we're going to jump right in and talk about it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Hit your little notification bell so that you get notice, because these things are going to start happening really fast in the next couple days at Jeep Safari. And as all the journalists uncover news, or as Jeep drops that news, we're going to jump in and talk about it. All right, thanks for watching.